We went and checked out a car show in Harrodsburg, Kentucky called Cruise on Charles Street. Some of these cars were really clean, nice cars, and some of them were just had that real authentic hot rod vibe to them. And then some of them were just nice drivers. But it's a pretty cool little car show for a small town. This was the Auto Customs shop truck. They do interior. It's pretty badass interior work by them. This thing was just legit cool hot rodder vibes car. This looks cool. Yeah.